Welcome to PTV Vistro's Pearl Street Mall Interactive Demo. Boulder, Colorado is situated northwest of Denver, and it is consistently known for one of the top places to cycle and walk in America. This presentation focuses on 8 blocks in Boulder, Colorado, and modeling use cases. First, let's get to know the study area surrounding the Pearl Street Mall. This 8-block area is home to Boulder's historic and entertainment districts. There is a combination of one-way and two-way streets, signalized and stop control intersections, and mid-block crosswalks. The study area was modeled in PTV Vistro using web-based Bing map features. This map requires no scaling or tiling. Additionally, Vistro has several included OSM base map styles. Pearl Street Pedestrian Mall closes off vehicular traffic. Many restaurants, outside venues, shops, and art features are located along the mall. Direct trail connections and parks connect to or near the mall. Closing Pearl Street requires the city to reroute vehicles off the mall. A series of one-way to two-way conversions were implemented at 4 intersections to circulate traffic around the district. These intersections are easily configured in PTV Vistro. Moreover, Vistro can optimize the flow of critical turns with adjacent intersections using PTV Vistro's optimization routes. Extra wide, exclusive pedestrian phase crossings are common along the mall. These visible walks help extend the mall across 3 north-south streets. Exclusive pedestrian phases are quickly modeled in PTV Vistro with built-in functionality. Then the ring and barrier editor and phase diagrams can be utilized to customize the phase order. To support Boulder's cycling needs and trail connectivity to from the mall, contraflow cycle tracks and bicycle lanes have been added in many locations. These locations often feature bicycle signal phases and leading bicycle intervals. PTV Vistro models cycle tracks and bicycle signal phases, as well as evaluates operations with HCM6 Edition's level of service calculations. Here you can see that many legs can be added to an intersection. This provides very detailed network geometries and flexibility. PTV Vistro's integration with PTV Vism provides fast simulation of bicycles. This out-of-the-box network export from Vistro includes the same geometry and signal information. Bicycles are then added to PTV Vism for simulation. Transit maneuvers are counted via PTV Vistro's HCM analyses. Additionally, Vistro's Canadian capacity guide methodologies enable the analysis of near-side and far-side transit stop locations. Similar to cycle tracks, exclusive bus lanes and signal timings can be modeled in PTV Vistro and then integrated to PTV Vism for simulation. In Vism, transit lines and schedules are added. The mall's western terminus ends with an exclusive pedestrian interval. However, exploring new scenarios and mitigations in PTV Vistro is fast and easy. PTV Vistro includes a base scenario. These scenarios are quickly created and modifiable. Any updates to the base scenario, such as a new intersection, is immediately added to all scenarios. This streamlines your workflow through a smart management system. In PTV Vistro, we can easily explore adding leading pedestrian intervals, or LPIs, in a proposed scenario. LPIs are created with built-in delayed vehicle green inputs. This will hold vehicular traffic for the inputted time and allow pedestrians to safely lead. PTV Vistro's LPIs are automatically integrated into PTV Vism. PTV Vism will simulate pedestrian crossings and pedestrians interacting with vehicles. Additionally, PTV Viswalk, as well as features in PTV Vism, will enable you to accurately represent pedestrian areas, stairs, transit hubs, and plazas. Thanks for exploring PTV Vistro's demo of Pearl Street Mall in Boulder, Colorado. Learn more about PTV Vistro by following this QR code or link. You will find tutorials and self-help as well as more use cases for PTV Vistro.